Welcome back to the channel, guys. Right now we are going to continue where we left off with the Dodge Charger. So the main goal today is we're going to change the dashboard. We have the one to replace right here. And we are going to change these two doors over here. And I'm seeing somebody working on the car. I'm wondering who is that. Excuse me, sir?
Yes, Master Wayne.
Who are you? Why are you working on the car?
I am Alfred, and I work for Batman, which is Master Wayne. And he asked me to do this because he has to go fight crime at night.
Yeah, so this is the actual owner for the car. Right, so right now we're start taking everything apart. So I'm gonna just put it down and do a time lapse. And guys, please remember, anytime you're doing something like this, disconnect the battery first. Okay.
I have to I have to mark all of these to know where to put them back. Or let me see if I can. Or not.
It's crazy.
Could you imagine if I had to do that? Well,
Crazy.
I have.
Yeah, disconnect that one right there.
In case somebody wants to know what's inside your glove compartment. This is your glove compartment.
This is the what? The gun compartment?
The gun compartment, yeah.
Well, we actually started by taking off the cover on top of the dash to remove some screws up top, and then the silver part at the front where the monitor is just hold down with some clips. So we just clip it off, take it off, and then remove the monitor, hold down by 4 screws. From there, remove the gauge cluster, it hold down by 4 screws. Remove that. Then after that, we started to clip the parts from the side right there to get in the center. You have about 4 screws under there to get to start to move the radio. So guys, Right now, I went around the back and come back around, and I see something. Check out this.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
He's having some fun with the car.
Oh shit! Look, it broke this. Next to him. Oh shit. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit!
Come around this side. This side. Guy love to have fun.
Alright, let's cut it out now.
And you call me mad mechanic, right? That guy right there is crazy. Guys, please don't do this at home. You can damage yourself if you're trying to do something like this. Please wear safety glasses. The glass was already broken. We just plan to have a little fun with it. If you are doing something like this, you just take out the glass in one, just cut around the glass and take it out. You have less work to do, because if you're doing this, you have a lot of glass to clean up, have a lot of vacuuming to do inside. So I would think it's best to take the glass out fully, but we just want to have some fun. Well, he's the one that want to have some fun, so I'm gonna give him the hard work to do, the cleaning up.
Clean up crew. We're reviewing this Walmart workshop vacuum, wet and dry, has 16 gallons. That's a lot. Yeah, but definitely it's not all about just working. You have to have some fun doing what you love. So sometimes we take the fun way and just let it rip. working perfect. Everything is working good. And as you can see, we have some fun and get rid of the glass. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean this up because the glass needs to be replaced. So we just have some fun and just knock it out. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna replace these two doors right here. So these are the two doors that we're going to install. They are used doors, but everything is good. Paint inside already, so we have to put them on. After we're done, we're ready to paint the car. We can paint the outside.
To remove the doors, all you have to do unclip the wire connections and get that off, and then you have 4 nuts. You screw those off, screw them off from the door, leave the inches on the car. It's easier that way. When you're putting it back on, it don't give any trouble to put back on.
These are the doors right now of the vehicle. I think it looks better that way. Can drive without doors, right?
Yeah,
What do you think?
hood, windshield, only fucking nothing.
Yeah, looks good.
Let me grab some.
So guys, just giving you a walk around on the car. The two doors has been installed already. As you can see, dash install. The steering airbag is installed. Alright. If you walk around on this side, there are parts in the trunk right now, just waiting. On this side, they have the parts for the frame rail to do the framework. All of that. Everything is coming on good. Some more frame parts.
Guys, thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and drop some comment in the comment section. Until next time, Mechanic out.